Alright, this is gonna be first of all, it's the 12 BMX for Life YouTube channel, and this is gonna be a bike check on the Verde cadet 2011. Well, stuck the grip. I got dual grip. Well, everything on the bike is stock. I got dual grip, something barring, yeah. I have a nice tire. I'm just saying, but yeah, the rim is red and the back rim is black. That's kind of nice color to it. I have a stock dance comp tire. I have an integrated headset. That's nice. I have a stock Verde stem and plastic Verde pedals. Stock 3-piece crank. Verde 2.0 right there. And the chain, my chain is loose right now, but the chain, it's just stock. I don't know what it is. I have a stock sprocket. My hub is nice. Sounds pretty good. Yeah. I had to change my tube because it popped on me. So yeah, that. And I have a sealed bottom bracket, American bottom bracket, and a semi-sealed hub, 25 tooth sprocket, and a 14 cassette with a 9-2 driver. And I have a stock Verde seat. Like how you can see, Verde seats like have that like weird shape right there. Yeah. And stock seat clamp. That's nice. The seat clamp. It's a seat post combo. Yeah, camera spike. Yeah. That's basically it. I got stock bars too. And yeah, pretty much it. This is just we'll do more bike checks, like when I get custom parts, and also when my friend Anthony's bike, and he gets custom parts. And so yeah, we have more bike checks. I'm thinking about getting some Odyssey twisted PC pedals and an Odyssey plastic pivotal seat, and changing my grips. Well, no, actually not my grips, just change my bar end. Yeah, pretty much it for now. So subscribe to the channel and peace.